What's up? You know, once again, Chef Brown Catering. We're on site doing a personal chefing for Miss Ashanti and the ladies, girls weekend. All right, so tell where you from. Tell everybody where you from.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
So
It's
you
in the
came
house.
all the way from Milwaukee to Atlanta?
Yes, we did.
Okay. So what made you choose Chef Brown Catering to do this event for y'all?
Because my aunt is from Georgia, and I asked her what was the best chef that we can get in Atlanta, and she told me Chef Brown.
Chef Brown. I can't say nothing bad about that. So far your experience with her, what's your experience been?
Absolutely amazing.
Okay. See that amazing. That's the word I use.
Communication, amazing.
That's number one. Listen, 10% food, 90% of customer service. That's all we preach. Customer service get you every time. All right.
Absolutely.
So we want to thank you for letting us cater this event. Look at the food, all the food. I tell you, this one of the easiest on-site cooking I did because it wasn't a lot to cook, but it was easy to cook. So I was happy to come do it. And look, no matter where you live, no matter how tiny your kitchen is, if you got a hot plate, I come in and I rock it. Like I said, like the Rock said, I lay the smack down in your kitchen. That's what I do. All right. So thank you and appreciate you and hope you enjoy it.